Hello again. Thank you for watching and for studying math with me. This video is about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. First important thing for us to talk about is a term. And a term is something that is separated by a plus or minus sign. If there is one term, it's called a monomial, like a monorail at Disney World. If there are two terms, it is called a binomial, like a bicycle with two wheels. And if there are three terms, it is called a trinomial, like a tricycle when there are three terms. The numerical factor in each term is called the coefficient of the term, or numerical coefficient of the term. And all terms that differ at most in their numerical coefficients are known as similar or like terms. Another way to say it is similar terms have the same variables with the same exponents. That's an important way to remember similar terms. And a simplified expression combines like terms. One more thing about simplification is if you're simplifying an expression using the distributive law and you're removing the symbols of grouping and a minus sign precedes the grouping, you have to change every term in the grouping. Or if a plus sign precedes the grouping, the signs remain the same for every term. Let's look at a couple of examples of this kind of thing. We're going to distribute using the distributive law, this number 1. So we're going to take the 3 times 2a, giving us 6a, plus the 3 is also times the y, so that is going to be 3y. And so that is, I've used the distributive law, so these two expressions are equal. Similarly, on this one I'll distribute, but I say minus 3 times minus 2 is going to be a plus 6r, and minus 3 times plus s is minus 3s. So that is 6r minus 3s. An example of simplification is found in this problem. I'm going to distribute and then I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 2x, and now I will distribute this minus 3. That's going to be minus 12y, and a minus times a minus is a plus 3x. But now this term and that term have the same variables and the same exponents, so I have 2x plus 3x is 5x minus 12y. In class, we will do several problems, but serious students will carefully read the section and examples and do as many problems as possible. Until then, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. Take care, and see you in class.